so close.
It's trying to eat me. It's trying to eat me.
It's trying to eat my finger.
Take pictures.
Can I get my phone? It's trying to eat.
Here you go.
He likes
Look at the forehead. Look at their
Remember, you
eyes.
carry your phone. I don't want to be responsible for the phone situation.
Okay.
Okay?
It's so close.
It's a shame they don't have more
Hello.
space to walk around in.
Hi.
Hello. Tiny.
It wants to eat my finger. Hey, bring it back over here. Hey, over here, over here, over here. Come on, look. You want to eat my finger, Roger?
You got